Hello everyone, welcome back again. In this tutorial today, we are going to discuss about something important in HTML. So quickly, what are we going to talk about? We are talking about HTML comments. I hope many people will ask me why, what is HTML comments? So quickly, let's get started. HTML comments. The HTML comments are not displayed in the browser are not displayed in the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. That is, anything you write as HTML comments, they will never displayed on the browser. In the browser, they are not going to be displayed. That's what they call HTML comments. HTML comments tag. You can add comments to your HTML source by using the following syntax. That is this. Let's continue. We'll get to understand better. Notice that there is an exclamation point. This in the start tag. As you can see, this is our first opening tag, the start tag. There is an exclamation point here, but not in the end tag. As you can see, this is the end tag, but there is not anything like exclamation like this. There's nothing like that here. That's what defines comment in an HTML. So whatsoever, that's what defines comment in HTML. So I want you to understand one thing here. See this place. This is where we write our comments. Whatever we write here is not going to be displayed in the browser. The browser will never read it. It's not going to show. So note again, comments are not displayed by the browser, but they can help document your HTML source code. That is, when you are writing something, you can just put a little comment to document what you wrote, what you designed there. I'll give you an example in the future. So add comments. With comments, you can place notifications and reminders in your HTML code. That is, adding comments. With comments, you can place notifications or adding reminders in your HTML code. That is, this is a comment. You can write it. Maybe this is a paragraph here. I want to write something here. So I will title this. This place is for comment, technique or whatsoever. So after that, you can write whatsoever you want to write. This is our paragraph tag along with the text inside it. This is a comment again. All these are not going to be displayed by the browser. This one here will not be displayed. This one here also will never display. All this here will never display, but only this one will be displayed. And again, hide content. Comments can be used to hide content. This can be helpful if you hide content temporarily. That is, this is a paragraph. This is another paragraph. So you have to hide this one. This is a paragraph too. I think you can understand what I'm saying. You can also hide more than one line. Everything between first opening tag and the second closing tag will be hidden from the display. For example, hide a section of HTML code. When you write your p tag, the opening and closing p tag, inside it you enclose it. You put your text inside here. You can write your code, your comment tag here by the beginning of another p tag and put your closing tag here. Now you can see this one, it starts. The comment starts from here and ends here. All these, they are hidden. I think you can understand. All these are now comments now. You can keep it there for future reference, for future purpose. Maybe you want to use it later or for something better again. You can just keep it. But they are not going to be displayed. All these are not going to be displayed. This will only show. Only this one will show. And this one also is going to show. This is a paragraph too. So comments are also great for debugging HTML because you can comment out HTML lines of code. That is, comments are also great for debugging. For what? For debugging HTML. Because you can comment out HTML lines of code one at a time to search for errors. Hide inline content. Comments can be used to hide parts in the middle of the HTML code. Can you see? In the middle of what? In the middle of the HTML code. For example, hide a part of a paragraph. Can you see? This is a paragraph text. This is a paragraph, the opening and closing tag of a paragraph. Can you see? Inside here, we write this great text is a paragraph, but here we want to hide the great text. So we put inside the paragraph, we put the comment tags here, the opening and closing comment tags, as you can see them here. So we hide the great text. So quickly, let's see how it looks on the browser. Quickly, let's go to our examples. In the future, I'm going to tell you much more things about inline, what they mean by inline, and a lot like that. So quickly, let's go to our VS Code and start something. Let me give you a quick example. Open your HTML document, right click and open it with your VS Code. After opening it with your VS Code, I think you can follow along easily now because we have started this thing for a while now. This is our code here. Let's see. Let me remove this first so you can understand very well what I'm going to do today. This is a paragraph. Let's say we want to write something. Let's say for instance, we want to write something. We want to write P for paragraph. This, and I will say this is a new topic on comments tag. HTML comment tag. So as I wrote this, let's save it and come to our browser. Let's see how it looks. Open our folder, right click and open it with your Firefox. See, this is how it looks. Can you see? This is a new topic on HTML comment tag, right? So let's go back to our document. We want to hide this. We want to hide this new and topic. And we want to hide this new and topic. So let's go to our browser, our code. We want to hide new. So we have to put our opening comment tag like this with our closing comment tag. As you can see, this is our opening comment tag and our closing comment tag. So when we save this, you will see that this one will never show again in the browser. So let's go back to our document, reload it. Can you see it has gone? Let me bring it back again so you can see what I'm talking about. New topic will show there again now. Can you see the new topic is not displaying again? But when I put the comment there, it will just hide all this one and start writing it like and continue writing the document from this is a on HTML whatsoever. So let me put it back so you can see what I did. Let me save it, save the document, come back again, reload it. Can you see this is a on HTML comment tag? So that is what they call comments for you. So and we can do it like this. We can also use it in this manner. Copy this one, put it here, put it here. We double this one. Let's make it 4, I think, so you can understand better. Like this one now. Let's now put comment. Let's save it and see how it looks in our browser first. Can you see we have 4 paragraphs here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 paragraphs, right? So let us hide. Let me make it identify, like let me give it number 3, 4, 1. So let's save it and load it. You can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Let me use it in my own way. 0, 0, 0, 1, no, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So you will see what I'm saying here. You can see I want you to identify it very well. So I will hide this one here that has 10, which is having 1, 0 here, and I will hide this one that is having 11 here. This is 11. I will hide it. I will hide these 2 here, so it will only display 0, 0 and 100 here. So quickly let me show you how it goes. We just come here. You can write the tag here so it can be beautiful. That's why I press enter at the front of this end tag here, so it can make it beautiful. So I can write it on another line on itself. So this is the end tag. It's automatically generated. You can just come here again. put it here. You can see this one and the second one, both they are now green. They are showing the green. They are different to this one now. So let's save it in our document and reload. You will see, you will not see 10 and 11 here again. You will only see 00 and 100. So let's reload the browser. Can you see? Now we are seeing 00 and 11. Can you see now? 00 and what? 100 is what we are seeing now. So that's how we hide it. You see, when we hide itself, everything and the paragraph, everything clears. The browser do as if it doesn't recognize it at all. So, and we can also put the thing here. You can put it like this also. Anyhow we want it, you can do it like this also. So it will still display the same way. It doesn't matter how you arrange it. So once it starts with the tag and it's close with the comment tag again, it's going to hide it no matter what. And if you want to hide everything, you can just hide everything with it again. You can do like this again. This is the closing tag automatically generated from. You can see something happen here. I will show you what happens now. Do you notice one thing? Because this thing we've already have one comment tag in between the quote, in between our paragraphs. So the code now, the HTML is now telling us now why putting why putting double nested comments instead of putting only one. That's why we are seeing the error here. The VS Code is detecting that you don't need to give this thing double comments again. Now you can just remove one and use like you can just remove this one. You can just remove this first one that you firstly put here and leave it like this. It will work. So instead of giving it the different, so instead of wasting your time giving it double comments, you see everything has disappeared. But let's see, we now put this one again. Let's see what the browser will say about it. Can you see? It displays error. This is a new topic. You see, it shows different. It's only one that even appears now. Is the 100. The last one here is the one that appears because there's an error here. You have to remove this one and this one so everything can, because we want to comment out everything here. All this paragraph we want to comment it out. So instead of now putting another comment in between, you don't need it again. Just put it at one place at the top of the paragraph and the second at the bottom of the paragraph, and save your document. Come to your browser and reload it. It will disappear. Everything will hide at once. But we're now saying you are putting after you already use this one. So the point here is that whenever you want to add comment to a lot of things at once, definitely check it very well. If you are seeing one comment in between them or before, firstly remove it. If not, it will never work well. It will just add some, will never add some. So now I've removed every comment I have here. So I want to add a new comment now. So I will just say I want to highlight everything. Everything is the one I want to hide. So I want to hide everything. I'll just put it here and save it. So quickly let's come back to our document. You see you are not seeing it again. But when we remove it, let's say we remove the last comment here, you will see what will happen to our document again. Also, can you see? But it's not advisable here because we have already hide the HTML tag, everything, the body tag. We have already hide it to destroy our document in some future. So because let's say we remove this one now, and we want to put another, everything we will add under it will also be in a comment. But when we put the closing tag we say this is a stop, this is the end of the comments. if you don't put this, it will never end. The document, all of it, everything will be on what? Will be on comment, will be hide. So that is it. So we have to put it in the beginning also. As you can see, if you don't put it in the beginning, you just put the end comment tags, it will never do as you want at all. Can you see? It still display our document. Can you see? And it's even displayed what? It's displayed the tag here. It's displayed it. I want you to understand the point too. I want you to understand the point. Don't mistakenly put it like this also, because you see act different, act strange. See, just acting strange, because we do, that's not what we want to do. We want to put it on the top of this place so we can highlight everything. Let's save it and reload. Can you see? It's gone. So, and also this place also, we can put it in between. Can use it here, put it here. You can use it here, and leave only one at the top. So let's reload it. You see, only one at the top appears. So we can also put it and leave only the one at the bottom. Can use this one. You can come here again, cut this one and use it here. So you can only leave, you can also leave this 3 only. So anyhow we want it, it will work. Can you see? The 10, 11, 100, the 00 have gone. So I think you can understand the point here now. Once again, my name is Anwar Akorede Ayofe. I wish to see you next time. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye bye.